morning guys, and welcome to the return of the weekly vlogs. I'm so sorry that they disappeared again. I mean, no one probably really cares. They're not the best vlogs in the world. I am going to be vlogging until my valedictory. That's when I'm officially gonna like finish. So I'm gonna vlog all of the rest of classes, which is only 2 weeks left, and then also the whole prior to exam stuff, exams, and then I have a week after exams before valedictory, which I'll probably still vlog. But yeah, it's the first day of term 4, first day of 11. I only have 11 days of this term before my celebration day, and then we're on swap back, which is like the time before exams. So my first exam is actually this Saturday for music, which is like kind of terrifying. So I'm going to school now and I actually have a rehearsal with my music teacher because he's accompanying me. Yeah, I'm gonna go to school and do that. Charlotte's picking me up this morning and that's about it. I'm just gonna finish getting ready now, put a tiny bit of makeup on and brush my teeth and then pack my bag, and then I'm gonna go to school. Now I just put some mascara and bronze on, as you guys saw. My hair, because I had it cut, is so like blunt at the ends, so it doesn't, I don't know, we're just gonna have to see how it goes throughout the day. It's a bit clumpy, I don't know. Tuesday and I'm in my bathroom again. Oh my god, my hair is such a mess. It's like super humid. It was really hot yesterday and then it rained today, so it was really humid this morning, so my hair's gone like frizzy, so I just straightened like these parts of my hair just to make myself look a little less gross. But yeah, it's like 5 o'clock right now and I have a singing lesson. I literally got up to nothing today, so that's why I didn't film. Also my phone's out of storage, so I need to fix that. But like, nothing exciting happened. Like, you literally didn't miss anything. I will probably talk to you guys after singing. I almost said dancing, then I meant singing. Okay, so it's a lot later at the moment. I think it's like 10:30, 10:37, and I'm aware I look like a literal mess, but I just wanted to say goodnight. I just brought this into my room. This is my headshot from production. How cute. I got to keep it during bump out. I went down because I had like 2 free periods I think, and then dance, so I was like just watching bump out for a lot of the time, and our director of performing arts is like, do you want to take your headshot home? So I did, and oh, makes me a bit sad. I miss it. Anyway, it's enough rambling from me. I will speak to you guys in the morning when I get up. Hey guys, so I am currently just walking home from tutoring. Oh, I'm out of breath because I just walked up a really steep hill. My afternoon consisted of, I went to my work to do some study because the library, like at the shopping centre, was super busy. So my work is like an indoor play centre, and then we have an external cafe as well. So I just went and sat there, like ordered a tea, sat there and did some work, which was really good. It's a lot better for me than trying to sit at home, and then tutoring's kind of broken up my night. Hey, so it's quite late now. It's about 11 o'clock. I actually did so much homework today and I'm so proud of myself. I sat down at work, as I told you, and finished pretty much, other than like a couple questions I didn't understand, maths exam. Then I did like 10 minutes of work on a Viscom one, and then I came home and finished that after tutoring, and then I finished that, corrected it. It was my best one yet. I got 64%, which I'm very proud of, because like I said, I'm horrible at Viscom. Then I just wrote a 3.5 page response for dance, and that took me so long because it was a dance we analysed back in term 2, so I had to go back, re-watch it, re-write out the expressive intention because I couldn't really remember it. The expressive intention is like what the dance is about, and then it like is broken into sections and like it's so confusing. Anyway, I'm gonna go sleep and I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning guys. So this morning, it's Thursday by the way, this morning I got up and wanted to check like my, sounds really stupid, but I checked my subscriber count and the views on my last video, and I accidentally clicked on one of my videos, which was my production vlog, so I watched it and now I'm like, I'm not sad. I think that's my favourite vlog ever, just because there's so much in it that I just remember being like, wow, okay, this is amazing experience and time in my life. I need to treasure this, and I'm glad I got it on film, but still was living in the moment. Like I feel like half the time, like I wasn't really worried about filming. Like I had other people have my camera and I was like, okay, I can enjoy what I'm doing in the moment but still get it filmed. Then tonight's recital night, so I'm gonna come home, run through my recital once, go there, do it, watch everyone else, come home. So I'll try and talk to you guys in my free period. I think that's the goal.
I came up with the practice exam as well. Too many people are making generalised comments for analytical and essay as well. You need to really use the content that's there.
Okay, this is not fun.
Use it and then leave it.
I don't like this
Demonstrates a sense of front focus flow or whatever it might be.
Hey, so it is currently after school and I only got one clip at school today because my phone freaking keeps running out of storage. I'm actually tempted to bring my camera to school, but like I'm not gonna whip out my camera and like film stuff. Maybe I will, I don't know. But yeah, I have my recital tonight, so I'm like in a nice top, got my you can't even see, black boots on, and yeah, I'm ready to go sing and it should be fine, totally fine. I'm just gonna go fix my hair because it's a bit of a mess. Like, buns are so hard with shorter hair, it's disgusting. My mum might film it on her phone, so I might insert a little bit of it here. I have to sing 6 songs, so I'm not gonna put my whole recital here. If she films any of it, I'll insert something here, I guess. I'm gonna go do that. Hey guys, so I'm actually currently like standing outside my school and I haven't spoken to you guys today. It's Friday. There are some weird sirens going on. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my mum to come pick me up. I finished early today and I have to go to Eastland to buy a present and a card and all sorts of stuff. Might get my eyebrows done as well because they're a bit of a mess, if you can see. But yeah, I literally have nothing interesting to... I literally never have anything interesting to update you guys on, so I don't know why I do these vlogs. Good morning! Good morning guys, so it is Saturday and I'm not gonna lie, it is currently 10:26 and I've been up awake since about 7:45, so I've just wasted the past 3 hours feeling sorry for myself in bed watching How I Met Your Mother, and I've been a real grump today for literally no reason. I have decided that instead I'm gonna go get all of my stuff out of my mum's car that I left in there last night, put my laptop on charge, and I probably need to leave. So I didn't even say, I mentioned it yesterday, but I have my music exam today, so that's at 2:15. So I'm leaving here at 12:30 to meet my friend at her work, and then her dad's gonna take me to my exam, which is like super sweet. My parents are out for the day, so they can't take me. Tia finishes work at 1 o'clock near my house and my exam is at 2:15 near her dad's house, so he's picking her up and so he said he would drop me. I'm really concerned. My friend Jess, if you're watching this, who also has her music exam today after mine, she just sent me a message saying, hey Abs, where are we meant to go today? I need to message her back because that's a disaster waiting to happen. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, so pretty much I just want to kind of edit some videos and like actually spend some time on them, eat some food before my exam. Then I'm coming home, I'm going to my friend's house for her birthday and I am pumped, so I will bring you guys along to that. I might put my camera on charge whilst I'm at my exam because I'm not taking my camera with me to an exam. That's just a bit of a mess, okay? I'm gonna stop rambling and go get my crap out of my mum's car and edit a video. Does anyone else like feel like severely insecure about the hair they have on their face? Like, What is all that? Like, that's disgusting. Well, it's not disgusting, guys. Like, if you're not ashamed of it and you want to rock it, go for it. But at the moment, I'm just like a bit like, oh, I'm like a gorilla. I'm a bit hairy. Any single human being who is watching this right now that goes to my school is going to judge the living crap out of me. Oh well, I'm only there for 1 more week. Woo! I'm in the weirdest mood. Let's go see the puppy. Hello. He doesn't know what this camera is. Just so you know, right now he's like sniffing the camera. Are you giving me kisses? Don't you dare scratch the lens. I'm home! Thank God. There's a puppy dog. Okay. Boring. So, I did my first exam for VCE. What the hell? I'm really happy with how I did in terms of like how I performed in general. Like if I wasn't going by criteria. In terms of criteria, I really have no clue, to be honest. Like I was just on the phone to my mom and I was like, don't really know what happened. So I don't know if I did well or not. I think I'm sunburned. Anyway, so I'm kind of hungry right now and I wanted to order Uber Eats for like ages, but like not had the money like in my account to do it. So I kind of want to order Uber Eats. I need to stop spending money on food. I need to stop eating junk, but like, do I order Uber Eats? I think I might order Uber Eats and I could film a mukbang. So, it is now 6 o'clock. Oh, Buddy's trying to get in on some action. Hey. I think I told you guys that I was going to order food. It took me an hour and a half to get Uber Eats to frickin' work, but I got it. I'm so very happy. Except I think, maybe I didn't order too much food. I got some onion rings, sweet potato fries, and potato gems. And I'm excited to just pick out for a little bit. I'm so excited. I feel like I have to try one of everything on camera now. It's not a mukbang. I really want to do one though. Any just fried side is like the best. That's a pretty good onion rings. Buddy's being a good boy. But you can't have onion, but you can have a potato gem. I'm gonna eat and then do Kayla'S present. So it's now at 7:30 and there's still a puppy dog and I just changed my top. I did get changed completely before just to lounge around for a few hours, but I'm just wearing, I didn't even show you guys what I was wearing this morning, but you probably saw the top, same style as this, just different pattern. And then I just wore like black jeans and my boots. But yeah, I'm just waiting for Taylor to pick me up at the moment. The joys of having friends at 18 when your parents aren't home, because you can actually get places. I want to show you guys the present I got for Kayla because I think it's super cute. So I decided to print off a bunch of photos and I laid them all out in this frame, and I don't know if she's gonna love it or hate it, but you know, YOLO. So the top row are all from band tour, then those two are central, those two are, that's year 10 formal, year 11 formal, and then they're all just us being silly pretty much at my 16th. I'm just gonna wait now. I gotta go get my lens cut for my camera. I'm gonna take you guys with me because it should be a fun time, so yeah.
Hey, chocolate is candy out. Ah, little miss. Chocolate.
Told you happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kayla.
Ow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
You don't blow it out yet. Don't wait it out.
Hi, Taylor.
Hi, Abby. I love you, Abby.
Hi, Abby.
Shut up. I love you so much. Happy birthday, Kayla.
My video.
I love cake.
Good morning, guys. I'm currently just sitting in the car and it's very hot. I'm still in my pajamas. My mum just picked me up from Kayla'S. It was very fun. There was only like 9 of us there. We were all just sitting around, just talking. It was very funny. It was a very funny time. This morning we got up and watched The Babysitter. Worst movie ever. horrible. Like, we all just sat there and like, it's horrible. Hey, that's all. Hey, so I have just decided, like, I've just vacuumed the floor in my room. I'll show you the mess that is my bed right now. It is a hot mess. I just picked up everything off my floor and put it there because I just need to reorganize everything. But I figured if I'm gonna put stuff on the floor, I should clean the floor. So I'm gonna start by taking all my clothes out of my wardrobe and deciding which ones I like and don't like. And yes, I'm still in pajamas. I just kept my PJ shorts on and changed my jumper for a top, and I put like a really crappy sports bra on just so that we're not floating all out. This vlog's actually getting super long because I'm actually like filming stuff. You guys proud? Do you like longer vlogs? I'm such a weirdo, I get it, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, it's like 10 o'clock at night and today was nothing short of unproductive. All of my stuff is still on my bed, all my clothes are still on the floor. It's gonna be an issue probably for next weekend. So I am now gonna sleep on the floor on a mattress because I've told myself that if I put all my stuff on the floor, I'm never gonna get back to it. So I think the challenge is to tomorrow or the day after put all of my stuff away that's on my bed. But I'm gonna go to sleep and I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I actually filmed a lot more than I usually would, so I'm pretty proud of that. I will talk to you guys tomorrow and see you in next week's vlog. Good night, guys.